Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the video I'll be showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts and TikTok shorts or TikTok reels. So these are the tools that I'm going to be making use of in this video. ChatGPT, CapCut, Notepad, and then Chrome. Yes, all the prompts I'm going to be making use of for this video will be in the description box of this video. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. So let's dive into the video. I'll first of all go to my note application. I'm going to copy the first prompt. So don't bother about copy screenshotting it because I'll be pasting the prompt in the description box of my video. So I will copy the first prompt and then I'm going to enter my ChatGPT application. So when I enter my ChatGPT application, I'm going to enter the first prompt in my ChatGPT application. I'm making use of the mobile version of ChatGPT. So I will send this to it. So let me wait for it to generate. So it will generate a topic for me. That's 10 topics for the video. So now these are 10 topics about black psychology that is generated for me now. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now is to choose a number that I'm going to generate from. I'll tell it generate a story from number. Okay, let me go through the one I need. So, number two, generate a story, a 30-second story from number two. So now, I'll send it to it. Um, so now, it will generate a story for me from number two. Then once they've generated a story for me from number two, I'll copy the second prompt I'm going to be making use of. So now um I'll copy this. Once I've copied this, I'll go back to my ChatGPT application. So when I come back here, I'm going to paste the prompt. Generate 14 captivating images. So now for the video to make it engaging and irresistible to watch. So now it have generated a captivating image prompt for my video. So once it have generated the image prompt, the next thing I'm going to do now is to go back to my notes now. This is my notepad. So just follow the step for the video. I'll copy this, create an optimized caption. Yes, you copy this. Make sure you generate everything before you copy it because ChatGPT will actually save it. And also, when you are generating the images and the prompt for your video, make sure you have already signed into your ChatGPT account. So I'll simply continue from where I stopped. So this is where I actually stopped today. So I'll send it in here. So it have generated the caption and then also it have generated a topic for the video. And then let me go and copy the last prompt because you need a very engaging thumbnail to make your video go viral. And also I want to give a simple advice before I continue the video. If you created a new YouTube channel and you want to be posting AI generated content, I'll advise you to do one thing. Don't use a new channel that you created that same day. Yes, the reason is because most at times when you create a new Gmail account and you want to use it and be posting video, Google will regard it as both. Yes, the algorithm will not give you views. That's the pure truth because most at times I have tried creating new channel and when you post video on the new channel you created, because the Gmail account is not up to 3 months, you will not be able to get enough views for yourself. Yes, I advise you to use an old Gmail that is probably more than 3 months. So let's continue from the video. So I'm going to copy this last one and then go to my chat gpt and then paste it. So this is the last thing I'm going to be doing. So the last thing I'm going to be doing and then I will tell you the next step for the video. So I'm going to be pasting this script so that it will continue from where it stopped. So this is for the thumbnail or for the thumbnail. So you can see we are all set for the video. You understand? So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm simply going to come and copy my story. Yes, the story that ChatGPT narrated for me. I'm going to copy it. So this is the story that ChatGPT narrated for me. I'm going to copy the video, the story, and then I'll come to my notepad. I'll create a new note for my notepad, and then I'll paste the story and then tick it up. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to come here, come to my chatgpt, and then copy the image prompt for my chatgpt. I'll copy it, yes. Once I've copied it, I'll come and paste it here. I'll paste it here. Then I'll tick it. Then once I'm done ticking it, the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll up and then copy the place I asked it to generate a topic for me. Yes, the topic, I'll copy it. And then when I copy it, I'll come here, still go down a little bit and still paste it inside my notepad. You can make use of Google Doc or anything that you can paste your script. So once I'm done, I'll copy the last one, which is this image prompt for the script, and copy it. Then once I've copied this thing now, I'm going to now um add it to the last place now here. So once I'm done with all this process, the next step now that I'm going to do is to copy the script here. So now, once I've copied this script, I'm going to go to my Chrome. Yes, when I come to my Chrome, I'm going to be making use of TTS Maker. Yes, this is TTS Maker for my. Yes, I told you guys I'm going to be making use of free tool for the video, and I don't want to make use of 11 Lab for personal reasons. But if you can make use of it, you can use 11 Lab as alternative. But I'm making use of this tool for now. So I want to make use of a male voice. So I'm making use of this voice. So let's see how the voice sound. So now, this one, I think I'll try this um serious tone. So let me look for the voice I'm going to be making use of, the initial one I've been making use of. So I'm going to make use of this one for my script. So after pasting my script is just not up to even 500 words. So once I'm done pasting my script, I'm going to come here and solve the captcha. I think this is 0991. I'll click on convert to speech. So when I click on convert to speech, it will tell me to solve the captcha first. Yes, make sure you solve the captcha. So I'll click here to verify and refresh. So I'll click here. So once it has said I'm verified, then I'll click on OK. Then I'll click on convert to speech. So now, so our voice has been generated. So let me simply download it. So I'll download the voice. So now I'm waiting for it to download. So my voice has been downloaded. Then let me show you. I'll come to my download and then see. I'll simply copy the name. Yes, the reason why I copy the name is because I'm going to be needing it later for the video. So once I've copied the name of this, I'm all set. Then I'll close my Chrome browser. So once I've closed my Chrome, the next thing that we are going to do now is to generate our image. Yes, I didn't add Bing image to this place, so I think I'm going to add it here because that's the tool we are making use of to generate our images. So send to desktop. So I'm going to be making use of Bing image for our image generation. Uh, so look at it right here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is the first thing I will do, yes, is to go to my notepad and then copy the image prompt, and you make use of Bing image AI generator for the video. So after all these processes, the next thing I'm going to do now is to copy each of these images and then go to my Bing AI. Yes, I'm going to be making use of Bing AI. Yes. So once I copy this image, I'm simply going to go to my Bing AI. Make sure you have a Microsoft account to make use of Bing. They usually give free 15 credit for every news that signs up on the platform. So you can use the link on the description box to register an account. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to come here and then paste in my first prompt. When I paste this prompt, make sure you remove the star and the dot there. So once I paste it, I'm going to type this Ghibli style. Yes, and make sure you attach Ghibli style to the end of each image you are generating. So I'll click on create. Let's see the image to create for us. This is the first image. I'll pause the video and generate all the image. So you can just follow the steps so as not to make the video to be long. You can see it have generated this image style. So I prefer this one here. So I'll simply download it to my gallery. Then let me go to the next one. I'll come up here, I'll copy this, and then I'll go back here. So when I come here, I'm simply going to press to the next prompt. So I'll clear this one here and then paste this one. Then I will click on create. So while this one is creating, I'll go back, I'll copy the third prompt and then do the same thing. Make sure you attach Ghibli style so that it will make it to look unique in its own way. So let's wait for this one to create. You can see it, I've created this one. So which image I'm going to be preferring among all of this? I'm going to go with this one. Yes, I'll download this one. Then I'll still have to remove all of this here and then paste my next prompt. So you just follow the steps here. As you can see, you follow what I'm doing and then generate all your images. So I'll pause the video now so that it won't take our time. I'll open my CapCut application. You can follow the step I'm going to use to create our animation, which is going to be quite easy and it wouldn't take time. So make sure you don't pause any part of the video or skip the important part of this video. So I'll click on new project. When I click on new project, I'm going to swipe to photos. So I'll click on photos. As you can see, the photos that I'll be showing are those images I downloaded. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So once those images are loaded up, I can start selecting the one I'm supposed to select for the video. Yes, the image I downloaded. So this is the first one I'm adding. This is the second one I'm adding. This is the third one I'm adding. The fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh one, the eighth one. Then this is the ninth one, and then this is the 10th image, 11, 12. Remember, it's 14 images that are generated. So 13 and then 14. So I'm going to simply select all your images and then click on add. So once I've added all my images, I'll dive into the next step. So when I've added your image, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on add audio. As you can see right here, this is where you are seeing add audio in your CapCut. You click on it on your mobile phone or your iPhone or iOS device that I'm making use of, or your desktop sites. They are all similar. So I'll click on my sound. When I click on my sound, I'm going to allow it to load up. Then it will load and then I'll look for where it says select sound from device. So let it wait. Uh, let us wait while it loads. So once it's done loading, then I'll select. So I'm going to click on device by clicking on this icon here. Then remember that initially I told you that I'll copy the name of this file I downloaded. So let me look for the name of that file I copied that time. So this is the name of that file I copied and mp3 is attached to the end. So let me see if I can see it here. So you can see this is that image and it is 31 seconds. So I simply select the voiceover that we downloaded. So this is the voiceover that we downloaded and then we are all set. So next thing I want you to do now is to simply remove the spaces in between this voiceover. Yes, there are a lot of spaces in between the voiceover. So you take your time to edit those spaces and cut it out. So let's see how it is. As you can see, let me play the video.
Walking down a dark alley, your heart pounding.
So
Suddenly,
there's
you
some
hear
places there are spaces in between. So I'll edit those spaces, right? So you simply cut out those spaces like here, edit. That's for the audio, not the video. I'll click on split. Then I'll come here and then also split it too. Then I'll delete it. Then when you delete it, you drag it and you drag the side you deleted and attach it to the other side of the video. So you simply drag it and then you're all set. You can see the way I'm dragging it. So once I'm done, I'll do the same process. So I'll just pause this video a little bit and then continue so that it won't take our time. So now I'm done with editing the videos, sorry, the images. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the aspect ratio of this video. Yes, the aspect ratio, I'll prefer TikTok video because it's similar to YouTube short. So I will put it this way. Then each of my images, I'll select it manually so that I'll be able to remove the of meta this thing. So you can see how I'm dragging it, the way I am placing it. So each of those images. So you can see it. So I have to increase those images so that they will fit in. So you manually select your images and then adapt, make it to fit in into the scene so that your scenes will not look odd, as you can see. So I can leave this one this way. Then for this, I'll still have to increase it. Then so make sure your images are not awkward and they are fine and okay. So I can leave this one this way. So there's no need of increasing this. Then this one is okay this way. And then this one you can leave this way and then leave this this way. You understand? So once you are done with all of this and setting this up, the next thing you are going to do now is you are going to simply click on each of these things and reduce it to 1.8 seconds. Yes, I know my reasons. I want to reduce these 14 clips to 1.8 seconds. So pay attention, reduce each of the scene to 1.8 seconds. So this is each of the scene here. Then once you are done reducing the scene, then we'll proceed with the next step for the video set. So let me delete this ending.
It's weaponized so you can break free from its grip.
So it should be exactly at 1.8 seconds. That means I'll still have to adjust it a bit.
Weaponized so you can break free from its grip.
So once you are done with all of this now, the next thing is to do is to add transition to your video. Yes, you are going to add transition to your video. So you are going to add a transition to your image right now. So let me look for a transition. Uh,
Galley, your heart pounding.
so I think dissolve is okay. I would like to make use of dissolve, or I'll use black
Galley, your
smoke.
heart pounding. Suddenly, you
So black smoke is okay for the video. You understand? So I'll click on apply to all and apply the effect to all my clips. You understand? So once I'm done applying it to my script clip, I'll simply add some touches. Like here, I can come here and add effect to the first scene here. I can add a glittering effect for my video, or you add any video effect that you can add to your video to make it lively and all that. Then you can also add keyframe also. Yes, you can add keyframe. Let me look for light effects that I can add to this place. So let me see if there's any for now. There are many effects that one can add, so I think I'll simply come to this place and look for effects. Uh, so let me see how this effect looks like on the video. So I'm waiting for it to load up. So if the effect are actually added, the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to add keyframe. As you can see here, I'll click here, I'll add keyframes in between my clip. Yes, the reason why you can see here to make it lively. You can see here on the first one, I'll zoom it in a bit. On this second one, I'll zoom it more. Then on this third one, I'll zoom it in a little bit. And then on this last one, before it fade, I'll zoom it to this extent. So when you watch about. Then for this keyframe, I'll add a keyframe here, then add a key. I think everything is all set. So now I'm done editing what I'm supposed to edit in the video. So as not to make this video long, I'm simply going to compile the video and then run and export it. So I'm not adding any voice or tone for now. So you can simply add any tone you want from your YouTube library studio or use your CapCut so that I won't make the video to be much more longer. So I just wanted it to last for at least 20 minutes, then we are all set. So let me export the video. As you can see, I clicked on my export button. So now I'll simply export the video. So once my video is done exporting, then you can see the final result.
Imagine walking down a dark alley, your heart pounding. Suddenly, you hear a noise behind you, and your breath catches in your throat. Your mind races with thoughts of danger, and you pick up your pace. But what if I told you that fear, that very emotion coursing through your veins, is being used against you right now, even as you watch this video? Politicians, marketers, even people close to you, use fear to control your decisions, your actions, your entire life. Stay with me, and I'll show you how fear is weaponized so you can break free from its grip.